everyone, it is Saturday evening and this has been our project for Saturday. We had to get a corn head for the combine brought over here, and it is harvest season for all the farmers, so my husband and father-in-law were busy hauling fuel oil to all the farms today, so we got a late start. It's about 6 o'clock and they started this project probably around 4 of changing the combine head, making all the adjustments that they needed to make sure that it was running properly. And he's made a couple of passes of the corn. So I just wanted to make a little video to share this exciting moment for us. This is our first corn harvest on our new farm. This is all field corn for feed. We'll use it to feed the cattle. And of course we'll store it and make feed for the chickens. And in the spring when we replenish our pigs, then we'll have food for them as well. My silly boys, if you hear the noise, are in the car waiting for Dad to come so they can go for a combine ride. And Baby is setting off all the buttons and locking the doors on me. You can see how the front of the combine has the pointy thing that's the corn head, where before it had on a grain head that went around and chopped them all down. I sure hope the headlights work so that he can keep working and get a lot done. This is a borrowed combine from my father-in-law, so you never know about these things. It's a John Deere 7700. Looks like it does 4 rows. And once that gets full, there's a bin that holds the corn inside of it. We have a truck up there to the front. And he said last time he made about 4 passes. And with the cost of corn, that's about $1,500. And then he stops there and loads it onto the truck. So that's our corn harvest everybody. Say bye, Trey. Little Trey is 2 years old, and this is